Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by opening Roblox Studio and loading the place you will edit. This is where the GUI lives. Next, make sure Explorer and Properties are visible so you can inspect objects. Find Starter GUI, then open the screen GUI you want to change, because changes there replicate to players. Once done, select the GUI element, Frame, Text Label button. This initial selection lets you edit properties immediately and prepares you to adjust layout and scripts in the next steps. Now you change how the GUI looks and behaves. You adjust position and size using scale for responsiveness and offset for fixed pixels. Anchor point centers elements predictably. Change text, font, color, and transparency to match your design and swap images where needed. For reusable spacing, add UI list layout, UI grid layout, or UI padding. These handle consistent alignment as the screen size changes. Make sure to test by toggling device emulation, so you understand. Finish by giving the GUI interactive behavior. Add a local script to the button or frame to open, close, or update elements when players interact. Use Tween Service to animate properties smoothly and Context Action Service or User Input Service for custom input handling. Once implemented, run Play Solo and Play Server to test behavior across clients. Inspect the output for errors and correct variable scope or nil references. If something breaks, revert to a backup of Starter GUI, then isolate the script causing the issue and fix it.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.